Another day of protests at the College of Agriculture, Science and Education case in Portland after Thursday's abduction and assault of a student on campus. As Kalisha Williams reports, it went ahead despite assurances from the school that security will be increased.
An all-black affair. These students from the College of Agriculture, Science and Education case in Portland are not relenting. It's the second day of protest and they're even more angry. It comes after one of their colleagues was abducted and assaulted on Thursday.
We are saying to persons aiding this man, we are saying to you, stop protecting him. Stop protecting him. It could have been you.
We were told the female student was on her way to a farm around 5 o'clock when she was abducted by a man who threatened to kill her. She was later found near a tunnel by a search team of students and staff.
Last night I could not sleep, and I know many of my peers can relate to this fact. Whenever I close my eyes, I'm just seeing the tunnel and I'm just seeing her there, and it aches my heart. And remember, I am not the one that went through that struggle. Imagine how is it that she's feeling. And to know that the man is alive today and he's resting in his bed, thinking about his next prey. So we are saying, even my class members, a lot of persons can attest to this. They are afraid, they are even afraid of going to the bathroom.
Now, as the students marched on the streets of Port Antonio, they bemoaned the poor security on campus.
We at the College of Agriculture, Science and Education, we are starting our classes as of 4:30 in the morning. So we need a sound mind to go out there and perform in our academics area. And right now at this moment, I can say for myself that I cannot focus, I cannot think about studying, I cannot complete assignments.
This incident comes months after two young girls were abducted in neighboring St. Thomas. The sole suspect in that case is still at large. Now the school is questioning whether the incidents are connected. As for the students' concerns, President of CASE, Dr. Derek Deslandes, explained that the school has taken action.
We have already given marksman the go-ahead to expand the presence, and have worked out where those additional persons will be. We've adjusted our security from different places to put more resources in the main areas, the thoroughfare areas students traverse. So we believe and we hope that the enhanced measures that we have taken, the students will see, and over time will feel again comfortable to move about.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.